cuties, this is yet another vlog. And since the last vlog, this happened. But that's not the point of this vlog. The point of this vlog is Ganesh Puja at my place. And I am 17 and we have been celebrating Ganesh Puja since the last 16 years. Or basically, this is the 16th year. I speak a lot. But yes. So just to give you all a background, like earlier, like for the first 10-11 years we used to do it in a very high key way, like bringing those huge idols, calling hundreds of people, then a very fun visarjan and everything. But since the last few years we have become very low key, and like since the year we shifted to this place, हमारा जो घर का जो आइडल है गणपति का, we basically did स्थापित, like I don't know how to explain that. Basically हमने उसको स्थापित कर दिया. So what happens is, then every year when you do Ganesh Chaturthi, you don't bring in a new idol, you worship that idol only. But then last year मेरे दिमाग में कुछ सनक गया and I was like, लाएंगे, लाना ही पड़ेगा. And that year my dad wasn't here and it was very last moment. My dad was at Kolkata or something for work, and I was like, Mummy, chalo. And then we went to the market and we just got a small Chotu Bappa. And this year also we'll bring a Chotu Bappa, but then this time like I just went. I will put that ahead. But yes. So this time also we are bringing in a Chotu Bappa and you all will see that. So yeah. And suddenly, out of nowhere, our scooty stopped working, and I was very pissed, clearly. And now this gari ठीक करने वाला भैया something तो he did, and the scooty finally started working, but it took a lot of our time. So, we are currently here to see the Bappa which we'll take, and yeah. All the idols were so beautiful, so we just kept walking around and seeing them, and the karigars working on them, and it was such a nice experience, I must say. Hi guys, today is Monday in the morning. It's like 9:15. I just woke up and my parents are still sleeping, so I thought, because पहले पापा ये सब बहुत करते थे and even now he does it, so I thought I will play Ganpati music in my TV एकदम वॉल्यूम बढ़ा के. बिकॉज पहले लाइक 2-3 days बिफोर द पूजा ऐसे ही होता था, लाइक सुबह उठ के ही गाना वाना बजा देते थे. सो या, लेट्स डू दैट. হ্যালো, কেমন লাগলো?
গান খুব সুন্দর লাগলো. ঘুম থেকে উঠে ঠাকুরের গান শোনা খুবই ভালো.
আচ্ছা
মন ফ্রেশ লাগে.
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
সারাদিনটাও ভালো যায়.
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, তুমি কত এক্সাইটেড?
প্রচণ্ড.
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, তুমি এখন কি করছো?
এখন আমরা জুস বানাচ্ছি, তিনজন মিলে খাবো.
ওকে,
থ্যাংক ইউ.
yes. Hi, it's currently 4 p.m. and 5 baje the mehendi wali auntie will come to put mehendi, and I thought I would record at least my mom putting the mehendi, but now she's like, jab आएंगी तो पहले तुम बैठना मेहंदी पहनने के लिए, blah blah blah. So I will not be able to record the mehendi putting process at all. So yeah, ऐसे भी कौन ही देख रहा है बाहर. But yeah, that's that. I will just update the mehendi how it looks. This is Seema auntie and another person who helps her. Fun fact about Seema auntie is that she has been putting our mehendi since the year we started Ganesh Puja. So that's a long time. And that is my mom's mehendi, which turned out so pretty. Yay, cutie! हाथ में मेहंदी लगी है, लेकिन कैमरा बंद नहीं होना चाहिए. बाद में फ़ोन गोपी बहू की तरह धो दूंगी मैं. बढ़िया. दिस इज़ द मेहंदी. Very simple and cutesy. My mom's mehendi is gorgeous. I will not cut the video because I don't have it in me कि फिर से चालू करूँ मैं. So I will just wait for my mom. Oh, my hair looks pretty weird because it's frizzy and I couldn't really put serum. So, but yeah, it looks nice, I guess. I hope. स्क्रीनशॉट्स, इधर से स्क्रीनशॉट लेके फोटोज भी ले लिए। देखो देखो सुंदर করে মেহেন্দি দেওয়া কেমন লাগছে, কেমন লাগছে? খুব সুন্দর, হ্যাঁ ভালো। And now the decoration wale bhaiya are doing their job. It did turn out pretty nice, which you all will see further in the vlog. क्या कोई भी ज़रूरत है कि मैं दिन भर ऐसे कुर्ती जीन्स झुमका पहन के बैठी रहूँ? नहीं, पर क्या मैं यही सब करूँगी? हाँ, क्यों? क्योंकि मेरी मर्जी। ओ, जो भी दूर से प्यार कर रहा है करते रहो, क्योंकि सामने से तो कोई नहीं कर रहा है। एंड वेल, the camera isn't doing justice, but actually it's like very very dark. And according to Hindi serials, मेहंदी का कलर तभी डार्क आता है जब I don't know, जब आपसे कोई बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार कर रहा होता है. So yeah, how do I do so much nonsense giving? But yes, the camera isn't doing justice, but it's actually very dark. Yeah, oh my god, yeah, see, it is like literally almost black. Oh my god. Okay, so now we'll go to bring the Ganpati home, since it's like ekdam chotu. So me and dad will go scooty karke and bring it. So I'm trying to set the camera so that when we bring it home it can be sort of recorded, but I don't know. Well, we didn't go by the scooty. At the end of the day we went by the car because we thought it would be a little too difficult to go by the scooty, and thank god we did take the car because it was way more convenient. Came back after bringing. Yeah, now I'm gonna pack all of the modaks which are for orders, and then there's for ghar also, kyuki of course why not. And then there's also a very nice cake which we'll make for home. Mom will make, not me. So yes, you all will see that tomorrow. Oh, this is our like ghar ka idol, and this is the idol for this year. These are the ready modaka packages. Oh, these are chocolate modaks, by the way. This is pista flavor, this is normal chocolate, this is rasmalai, this is strawberry, and that is coconut. And I did all of this packing and everything while listening to beautiful old Gane. Life feels beautiful again. Life feels worth living. Oh my god. Okay, today is the morning of Ganesh Chaturthi, and let me show you all mere ghar ka fridge because oh my god, it looks so pretty. This is our ghar ka cake, and baki everything is orders ka. But yeah. Okay, so after some time we'll sit for the puja. Currently we are getting everything like ready. And was there any need for me to wear such a heavy jhumka while I have to do so much work? No, but will I still wear it? I mean, I did. So yeah, and I'm wearing a chicken curry kurta, reviving the old trends. Actually, I believe that chicken kurta holds a lot of grace until social media decided to ruin it. But yeah, I still love a good black chicken curry kurta, so I wore it. And yeah, in some other universe I am a true Marathi mulgi, but this year I am a Bengali baby. This janam. But yeah, assembling all the flowers and stuff, and I don't know how to record anything anymore because my tripod kal toot gaya. So anyways, yeah. स्वर्णमुकुटाशिरनायन विशाला पुस्तकपाणि कुथरत्रिशूलं मोदकभोगा सुगन्धितफूलं सुन्दरपितम्बरातानसाजिता चरणपादुका मुनिमनराजिता धनशिवा सुवना सा. पूजा इज़ डन और बहुत ज़्यादा ही भूख लगी थी तो एक बोल हलवा सवा चट कर दिया मैंने. बढ़िया. दैट्स दैट.
इसमें क्या आता है प्रॉब्लम नहीं
ये वीडियो नहीं लीक मार भाषण
Where should I keep it?
कीप इट वेर एवर यू फील. किचन किचन.
आ जाओ.
रोशनी रंजनी.
Hi.
हाय আমাকে কপি করিস
Yes.
আমি কপি করে
मर्दांगिनी एक होता है.
मर्दांगिनी. अर्धांगिनी मर्दांगिनी.
ठीक है मर्दांगी है ना मर्दांगी.
मर्दांगी
मर्दांगी.
हाय बोलो मेरे ब्लॉग को. ऐसे कैसे?
ऐसे
Yes.
कैसे होगा ऐसे कैसे चलेगा
কি ভালো বানিয়েছে.
কেক
Yes.
ওরও বানাই
Oh my god. Welcome back.
বেস্ট হোস্ট হ্যাঁ
Best host. Yes. Yes. Me.
একটু বসো না আমি খাচ্ছি আমি হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
The puja is over, of course. It's currently like 1:45 a.m. All my friends and other guests, my relatives and stuff, also left. Of course, इतने देर तक तो नहीं रुकेंगे. But yeah, I'm just so tired. I don't even feel like removing my makeup. I'm literally wearing my night dress and I have full-blown kajal, bindi, everything. But yeah, it was a fun day. I hope everyone I invited also had fun because I had fun. It was a good day. Yay. And it was time for the Visarjan.
मंगल मूर्ति मोरिया गणपति बप्पा मोरिया.
And somehow, since everything happens to us only, our car got stuck in the mud. Thankfully, there were few people who helped us out of here, but then it was pretty difficult to get out. And that was the Visarjan. And I guess this Ganpati will always remain special for me because of my newfound faith in God, which kind of got lost midway, which turned me into a complete atheist. But this year I found my faith again. So cheers to that. And at last I played in the कीचड़. बचपन में कभी ये सब ब्लूप ब्लूप नहीं किया तो अभी मुझे करके बहुत मज़ा आया. That was it for this one. Until next time, stay crazy. Bye.